How would you clarify the common misconception that scientists only work with chemicals? One way is to remember that scientists study diverse fields, including astronomy, ecology, and psychology, not just chemistry. How would you clarify the common misconception that you need to be able to work long hours to be a scientist? One way is to remember that while dedication is crucial, work-life balance is essential for long-term success in science. How would you clarify the common misconception that science is only for those with a specific personality type? How would you clarify the common misconception that scientists have diverse personalities, and curiosity and perseverance are more critical than personality traits? How would you clarify the common misconception that only certain genders or ethnicities can be scientists? One way is to remember that anyone, regardless of gender or ethnicity, can become a scientist, contributing to a diverse scientific community. How would you clarify the common misconception that science is only for people with advanced degrees? One way is to remember that while advanced degrees are common, scientific exploration can be pursued at various educational levels. How would you clarify the common misconception that you must be old to be a successful scientist? One way is to remember that many scientists make significant contributions at various stages of their careers, including early on. How would you clarify the common misconception that you need expensive equipment to do science? One way is to remember that science can be conducted with simple tools, and many groundbreaking discoveries were made with basic equipment. How would you clarify the common misconception that scientists always wear lab coats? One way is to remember that scientists wear various attire depending on their work environment, and lab coats are just one option. How would you clarify the common misconception that scientists work alone all the time? One way is to remember that scientists often collaborate in teams, sharing ideas and expertise to address complex problems. How would you clarify the common misconception that scientists only care about their own work? One way is to remember that scientists are part of a larger scientific community, and collaboration and sharing knowledge are common practices. How would you clarify the common misconception that you need to be in charge of your own lab to be a scientist? One way is to remember that scientists work in various settings, including academic institutions, government agencies, private industry, and citizen scientists. For example, hobbyists. How would you clarify the common misconception that you need to have access to the latest technology to be a scientist? One way is to remember that while technology can enhance research, many groundbreaking studies were conducted without advanced tools. How would you clarify the common misconception that you need to be wealthy to pursue a career in science? One way is to remember that scholarships, grants, and various funding opportunities are intended to make science accessible to individuals from all backgrounds. One way is to remember that scientists have no ethical considerations. One way is to remember that ethics is fundamental in science, and responsible conduct is essential to maintaining integrity. How would you clarify the common misconception that scientists only work in laboratories? One way is to remember that while some scientists work in labs, others conduct fieldwork, analyze data, or engage in computational research. How would you clarify the common misconception that scientists don't have a personal life? One way is to remember that scientists, like everyone else, balance their professional and personal lives. How would you clarify the common misconception that you have to be born a scientist? One way is to remember that anyone can become a scientist through education, curiosity, and a passion for discovery. How would you clarify the common misconception that scientists never make mistakes? One way is to remember that scientists learn from mistakes, and trial and error are integral to the scientific process. How would you clarify the common misconception that you need to be a loner to succeed in science? One way is to remember that collaboration and communication are key in science, and teamwork often leads to more robust results.